Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block attacks from your enemies on the Street Fighter V game. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're playing the Street Fighter V game, on no matter which kind of game mode, you will be able to fight your opponent from either the left or the right side. If you are within the left side, then you can simply press the left button, which will begin to move your character backwards from your opponent. And anytime your opponent strikes at you, the attack will be blocked right away. However, if your enemy attacks from below, you will also need to hold the down button within your keyboard or your joystick. By doing this, you will be able to block all kinds of attacks from your enemy. Alternatively, if you are within the right side, then you will need to hold the right button in order to block, along with the down button to block low attacks. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to block attacks from your enemies on the Street Fighter V game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.